Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lovesta. If it's the first time of you seeing my video, welcome. Don't forget to join the family by clicking on that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful Bubu gown you're seeing. So guys, this is the Bubu gown. Well, I'm not done, but let me explain. So first of all, after the cutting, what I did was to join the two shoulders together. So I joined the two shoulders together, this side and this side, as you can see. Join the two shoulders together, after which I now fold. I fold the hand, see, fold the hand 2 times before running it down. See, from here I run it down with 1 inch. I run it down until when I get to the point where I'm going to be adding the pocket, I skip that part till this downside. I continued running until I get to this down. As you can see, I'm still going to be folding this downside. See, I'm going to be folding it. So this is how far I've gone. So this is the other side, the same thing I did. After attaching the shoulders, I have to fold the hand. Then I took 1 inch, I run it down. When I get to the pocket point, I skip it again. So when I get to this downside, I continued 1 inch until I got to this bottom downside. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be folding this down. I'm going to be folding it. So guys, as you can see, I just folded the downside. Look at it. I used 2 inches to fold it. I fold it twice. So as you can see, look at the down. Okay. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be turning over. I'm going to be attaching the lace one I cut to the front side. So next I'm going to be attaching the pockets. So this place I left for the pocket, I'm going to be attaching the pocket to it. That's the next thing I'm going to be doing now. So I just added the pockets. So this is the pocket I just attached to the gown. So other side of the pocket. So alright, so I just decided to just attach this lace to the front side of the gown. I cut the lace round. So I showed you guys how I cut the lace in the other video I posted for this one. So I attached lining at the bottom so that the material will not be showing inside because it's a lace. So it is transparent, so the material down was showing. So I just had decided to attach lining to the lace. That's why it's not showing now. So as you can see, I'm done with the dress. So this is the Bubu gown, very beautiful.